Alright guys, we're at the grand opening of Period Correct. Got a bunch of cars. I'm parked right there. Enrique's parked there. Mark is parked somewhere over there. Oh, what's up, G? What's cracking? How are you? Chilling? With Enrique? But yeah, we got a bunch of cool cars. They just did their grand opening to the store, so we're gonna check out all the merch they got. Maybe we'll cop some merch. And then we're gonna go through all the cars. You know we're copying merch, baby. Yes, sir. And then we're gonna go through all the cars and check out all the cars here. Damn. Like all the merch back there. That's just sick. We got the license plate frames, little pins, keychains. It's a pretty cool store. Check this out, guys. It's pretty sick. Beautiful 2002 on air suspension, matching the Lime Rock. That's pretty cool. There's an orange car. Dude, that thing is clean. Wow. The paint looks better than mine, that's for sure. Check out the wide body, the RWB. Sheesh. That thing is clean. That's fire. And it's on BBS's as well. Sick. The homie Marks F80 M3 bagged, looking hella clean. That's clean E36. That's a clean E36 M3. That's a clean M4 on T's. Sheesh. M4 CS, got an F80, very nice. Got a beautiful GT3 RS, super clean. Got the white with the red theme going on, got the gloss red wheels, the mirror caps, the cage. Just fire. Jeez. Clean. Got all the beamers pulling up. What's up? Alright. What? Very clean G80. Wow, that looks so good. It's got the center exhaust. That shit is crazy. This color combination with the bronze wheels. Shit is super clean. It's a 2023 too. It's got the big screen. That shit is fire, yo. Damn, that looks so good. He's got the M4 CSL style grills. It's just super clean, honestly. I like this color. It's got the carbon roof. It's got the carbon side skirts. Very nice. Old school beamer pulling up. Very nice. Very clean. Got the homie Enrique's beautiful G80 M3. We're twinning today because we got orange on the car. You see the orange interior. This car looks so freaking good. We brought up the E92 today, guys. Enrique's car looks so good. Damn. Got old school G-Wagon. That's just sick. Sheesh. Got the GTR, right-hand drive. Just clean. That's a clean GTS right there. All over KG. Sheesh. Just too clean. Sheesh. We got Jason's beautiful E92 M3 on the HREs. Super clean build. Shit is crazy. It's got the performance seats in there. Shit is crazy. The paint looks immaculate. It's insane. Supercharged. I think this car has like over 160,000 miles. Just crazy. Individual Monte Carlo blue.
Like a minute, bro. I was like,
let's do the honors.
I'm out already, bro. She leaves. When she goes to the store, bro, I can take him and put him in the closet.
Rich.
Hey, white.
Dude.
Rich. Hey, come on, Kevin. Give a
photo shoot. Yeah, Jason's car is super clean. As we come to the interior,
open the door open.
Look at that, bro. Everything. Let me start it real quick. Dude, look at all the carbon everywhere, all over the steering wheel column too.
Dang, bro, he does have a lot of carbon.
Shit is crazy.
Got that Gatorade.
Interior is super clean. All the carbon on the door. I like this right here. This is sick. And it's down there as well. Everything color matching. The carpet, BMW individual. Shit's super clean.
Hey, if he
Yo.
stands close enough, I can turn it on. Get him to stand close.
Bro, you look good in the E92. You should get an E92, bro.
Sell me yours.
I'm down. Yeah, he's got the big brake kit on there. Got the front lip, diffuser. Jason's had this car, I think, like same time around I had mine. I think he had his like 2 years before. But he's like the original owner, first owner. Got the car brand new. Ordered it like this. So pretty cool that he still has it. And he has the F80 as well.
We're live, baby. Why are you drinking my matcha?
Out here, got this matcha green tea.
Yeah, it's a family event, huh?
Yeah.
Family event. My cousin.
Yes, sir. Chilling out here.
How much we gotta pay by? What's the next one?
Jason does.
Blue and orange.
Jason.
What up, bro?
You too, dog.
Hey, you bring your E92?
Yeah. That one right there? Yes, sir.
Damn.
Sick, bro. Of course. Bro. That's a clean G80 with the yellow headlights too. That shit is clean. Sheesh. We got the R8 Spider. Rich. Sheesh. It's a fire GT3 right there. A beautiful F90 M5 CS. Damn, that thing is clean. Fire. That's a sick X5M British Racing Green individual. Damn, that thing is fire. We got the Mercedes AMG GT. Shit is clean.
That shit was sick.
We got the M4 LCI headlights on comps with carbon ceramic brakes too. Rich. Open the door for you, bro. VIP.
Oh, I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. Yeah.
Tip.
These nuts.
Aww. All right, guys. Well, right now we're about to go get some lunch with the homies, and then we're gonna go to another meet that's nearby, and that one's gonna be like crazy packed, bunch of cool cars. So we're gonna go get some lunch first, and then we'll pull up to that meet later. We're all just revving it. Just loud, huh? G82, that's sick. With the 50th anniversary, that's clean. What's up, bro? It's just clean. The G82, that's just super nice. Alright. That's what I'm talking about. That looks fire. Is that better? Yeah, it's much better.
It tastes great.
Damn, that looks so good. Sheesh. The homie Sammy's McLaren 720S wrapped satin black. Damn, look at that tint. You can't even see shit. This thing is sick. Sheesh. This thing is dope. We got the homie Kicks, the homie Nick, the other homie with the G80, Drive It Gray. That's a sick color. It's like a mixture of like, kind of like almost like a dark Nardo gray with like some gold flaky in it. It's pretty sick. Yeah, look at the interior of this G80. That shit is nice, dude. Bro, this interior, bucket seats too. Enrique, into your car. That just sounds good. I like the way that sounds. Do it again, do it again. Ryan, one more, one more. Alrighty guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.